What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
What is your nationality?
I am American.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
I like tea.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you go to work?
Yes, I go to work.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have two sisters.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love them.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a doctor.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
What is your best friend's name?
His name is John.
Do you like playing with friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them.
Do you help your family?
Yes,
I help them. Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Is English easy?
yes, it is easy.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, I do.
Do you do homework every day?
Yes, I do homework.
Do you read books? Yes.
I read books.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math.
What subject do you like most?
I like science.
Do you use a computer in school?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to be a teacher?
No, I want to be a doctor.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like rice.
Do you eat meat?
Yes.
I eat meat. Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I eat fish.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples.
Do you cook food?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride a bicycle.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you sing songs?
Yes, I sing songs.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is hot.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is cold.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining. Is it sunny? Yes, it is sunny.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you like the rainy season?
Yes, I do.
Do you like spring?
Yes, I like spring.
Do you wear a coat in winter?
Yes, I wear a coat.
Do you use an umbrella in rain?
Yes, I use an umbrella.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Is your house big?
No, it is small.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a garden.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go to the market.
Do you go to the shop?
Yes, I go to the shop.
Do you go to the hospital?
Yes, when I am sick.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, I go to the cinema.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, I travel by train.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you read English?
Yes, I can read.
Can you write English?
Yes, I can write.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.